What's up, guys? We're back out here again with another installation, and today we are going to be putting some smoked sequential turn signals in the Tacoma. It's just a fun little easy mod that I've been kind of chewing on doing for a little bit, and I could pick these up off of Amazon. They were, I think, about $50, maybe $55, all said and shipped. These are the same exact lights that you'll get from suppliers that you can find online. The thing is that you have to realize with a lot of online suppliers, they're going to take stuff directly from China, and then the factories in China just put their logo on it, and that's all you're really paying for. There are sometimes quality control differences, but with something like a sequential turn signal, it's not really a thing that I'm worried about. I think these will work fine, and hopefully they don't take in any moisture or anything like that. For example, today I was looking online at a high lift jack. I found one on Amazon for 87 bucks. The same exact identical high lift jack was $115 on Cali Raised website for some reason. And I'm not trying to call them out. I understand that they have to make a buck, but you do have to realize that you can get stuff for a whole lot cheaper than what you'll find on the big suppliers' websites. So anyway, let's get working on this. So step one is going to be to pull away the top cover on this. It's really easy. All you do is just start working at it, and there's little tabs in here that'll pop out. So I've gotten the first one out, and I'm just going to kind of work my way around, I think. There we go. And be careful. You don't want to break your mirror when you're doing this. You also don't want to break these tabs because you do have to reinstall this cover, obviously. So I was going way too soft on it. I was afraid of breaking any other clips that might be down here. But if you take a look on the inside of this, there actually aren't your 3 clips. You got 1, 2, and this is just held in by tension. So it's okay if you manhandle it a little bit. All right. Next step is there are 2 screws that you have to remove. There's this plastic retaining bracket here, so you remove that screw. And then that screw. It's pretty easy. The kit I ordered, and this is the one directly from China, did actually come with a screwdriver that fits it, which is pretty cool. All right, after you've done that, you are just going to wiggle this thing. And then, there we go, so that's loose. And then your next part, if I can find it, there should be a little thing here that we're going to disconnect on our factory one. Yep, it's right there. Let's move this over, get a better shot. So we're going to pull this guy up. Just kind of unclip it. You can hear that noise as it unclips. The whole thing should come out. There's another clip over there. There she comes. Come on, buddy. So do I push that? Yes, I do. Okay, so you push in over here. That comes out. Oops. Oh, there we go. All right, and we're just gonna wiggle that right out of there. It's in a little retaining clip. See the wire goes in through the top, so make sure you put that back in. And we're now free. So there's the right. That's the one that I'm taking out. And that's the one that I'm putting in. So I've just flipped the old turn signal around. You can see there's this little clip here. That's all you do to take it out. Pretty easy. So we're going to plug this in. Then clip that back in all nice. Again, there's a nice little wire clip there. I'm just going to shove this in here first. Maybe I do have this backwards. Let's turn her around. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, that's wicked looking. Check her out. I like that. Very cool. And we're out here in broad daylight too. I wanted to do this in the daytime because obviously any light can look good at night. And this looks way better than my stock one. It's extremely bright, definitely noticeable. Sweet. And it matches the car a lot better. It's all cleaned up and closed off. I love the look of it. The smoked mirror looks awesome up against the black of the Tacoma. That's an extremely simple mod. That just took me less than 10 minutes. And I'll do a quick comparison between this and the stock one. There's our stock signal in broad daylight. kind of hard to see, for being totally honest. And let's go over to the other side. And there's our sequential signal. You can see, especially from a distance, it is so much easier to see. And it just looks cool. As always, thank you guys all so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you all on the next.